Yo, what is up, guys? Do you want to learn how to spawn in your own rocket launcher? Well, if you do, watch this video. Boom! Yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is go into your admin command bar, insertion, give item 3, and click that, and you see one rocket launcher. Now you're probably going to want some ammo for that, so what you're going to want to do is GFI space rocket. You see 114 rocket propelled grenades. I know it just sounds like a grenade, but it's actually a rocket. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Make sure to leave a like, and I will see you next time, fam. Peace.